Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy and safe at home. Children, do you miss your school? Yes? Okay, so today I am going to tell you about our school. Some of you must have seen our school, and some of you must be new to our school. So now let us see how our school looks. Now first I will show you the school building in the next picture. Children, look at this building. This is our school building. It is very big building. It has different classrooms from playgroup till 10th standard. Can you see a name written over there? Yes, it is our school name, Sahyadri National School. So if anyone asks you, what is the name of your school? So how you will answer? You answer in a full sentence. The name of my school is Sahyadri National School. So children, when you come to school, you see different classrooms. There is a free choice area, sandpit area, outdoor area to play different types of games. Then we have playgroup also. So whenever you will come to the school, you will enjoy everything. Okay, now I am going to show you everything in this video. So observe the video carefully. Children, now as you can see in this picture, we have different classrooms of pre-primary section. Now first I will show you the playgroup room. See, this is playgroup classroom. Then come down, look at this. This is mini KG classroom. Then next, junior KG classroom. Then senior KG classroom. Now, when you will come to school, you all will come to the senior KG classroom. Now, next picture, you can see the classroom area of senior KG. Children, look at this picture. This is our senior KG classroom. In this classroom, you can see different things. Now see, there are two boards, green board and white board. Teacher uses green board to write A to Z, numbers, she draw pictures and she take the revision also with the help of chalk. Whatever she writes on the board, you all write in the notebook. Now see, there is another board, that is white board, where you can watch different stories, rhymes and different other things. Now children, tell me, who teaches you in the class? Yes, teacher teaches you in the class. Now you can see there is a teacher over there. Do you know what she is doing? She is helping her students in studies. And as you can see, many children are there in the classroom. They are reading book. So they are sitting on the chair and their books are open on the table. So all these children, we call them students. Now see what all things are there in the classroom. You can see charts. You can see cupboard. In this cupboard, teacher keeps your notebook. So they are safe in the cupboard. Now look at the next picture. Children, look at this picture. Are the children studying? No, they are doing different activities. So when you come to school, you just don't study. You also learn different activities like craft activity. Then teacher takes you to the free choice area where you can play with different types of toys like blocks, kitchen set, doll. Then teacher gives you dough. So you perform the dough molding activity. Through the dough, you make different kinds of things like you can make fish, tree and other things. Then teacher takes you to the library where you can observe pictures and you try to read few words and sentences. Now look at the next picture. Children, as you have observed in the last picture that children were in the classroom and they were doing activities inside the classroom. But teacher also takes you for the outdoor activities. Now look at the boy, he is playing with the ball, and teacher also takes different types of games. Now look at the next picture. Now some children are sitting in the sand pit and they are enjoying with the toys inside the sand pit. So you also go to the sand pit to play with the toys. Now look down. In our school we have a big playground also where you can go for the kite flying activity. So all these things we have in the school. Children, when you come to school from bus, so Kaka helps you to get down from the bus. And even while going also, they help you out. When you are inside the school, like if you want to open your tiffin box but you are not able to, so Maushis help you out. And if you have some problem, so Maushi also helps you out in that. So Kakas and Maushis also help you in your school apart from teacher. So we celebrate their day as Helpers Day. Now look down. As you can see, some children, they are wearing chef cap and aprons, and something is kept on the table. Yes, they are having cooking day. So apart from studies, outdoors, we have different type of days. Helper day, cooking day, color day. Okay, so all these things you enjoy in the school. I know you all are missing this. So let the school open once. You all will enjoy everything. Okay, now look at the next picture. Children, look at this picture. What you can see? Yes, these are our school buses. So some of you come in the bus to the school. So that's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Bye bye.